Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Today we're looking at the OnePlus 10 Pro, and I just want to do a little first impressions video because some of the reviews I've been watching, a lot of people are hating on the software and a lot of that kind of stuff and just saying it's overall a bad experience and the phone's gotten a lot worse from previous OnePlus phones. So I am currently up to date. It's actually April 30th. I don't know why this says it's Sunday. It's actually Saturday. But I've just been going through. I have some of my stuff set up, but I haven't put my SIM card in or anything like that yet. But I've just been looking through the Oxygen OS 12, Android 12, that kind of stuff, because it has been a little while since I've had a OnePlus device. And I've been looking at some of the personalization section, and it's pretty cool. I don't see anything that, a lot of the issues people are having with the ColorOS versions are not on this one. So a lot of those things that people were saying about the phone before it came out in the US, I'm just not seeing on this device. We have a lot of stuff for the always on display, a bunch of different options here. You can do a power saving, so it'll turn off after the phone hasn't been used for a while or hasn't been moved for a while. So that's pretty cool how it kind of adapts to that to save you some battery, but you can still use your always on display. We have a whole bunch of different user interface settings down here. You can change your quick settings, tiles and stuff like that, what they look like. All that can be customized. It's very smooth. 120 hertz, very, very smooth on the screen. Your horizon light settings, you have your font and text size right there. Your fingerprint animations, you have a bunch of different settings for those, which are pretty cool. You do have more than last time I had a OnePlus device. Wallpapers, you can adjust your icons right here. You can make custom shapes and stuff like that. I think you can use custom icon packs if you want to as well. We've got your Art Plus icons, which use redesigned icons for third-party apps. You can do material, pebble, or like I said, custom. So everything is very customizable. It's working very well. I haven't had any stutters, lags, or anything like that. Like I said, I'm just setting up the phone, but it's been running very well. Bunch of notification settings here for how your notifications appear on your lock screen and in the banner. Of course, you can do that by app right there. Excuse me. Home and lock screen settings. Home and lock screen settings. A bunch of stuff there. You can even change your app animation speed right here in the settings without having to go into your developer options or anything like that, like you do on most Android devices. Double tap to unlock. Double tap to wake. Double tap to lock. All that kind of stuff. Lock screen. You've got your famous OnePlus gestures down here under system settings. Gestures and motions, so you can do all that right here. Your screen off gestures, all that kind of stuff is in there as well. You can even kind of add your own custom ones with a few options right here. So that is very, very nice. Overall, I really like the customizations and stuff like that Oxygen OS 12 is bringing to the table. And it's something that I like on the phone, how you can kind of make it your own, but it's not overpowering. It's very nice. Haven't tried the charger out yet to see that fast charging, but that's something I will check out. This is just kind of a first impressions of Oxygen OS 12, and so far I don't have any issues with it. A lot of the stuff I've seen online, I'm just not seeing those issues on my device, and I don't have many complaints as of right now. But we'll do some more reviews and videos as time goes on. That's the OnePlus 10 Pro, Oxygen OS 12, Android 12 on the latest April update here at the end of April. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.